Hello, my brave sketcher. I'm so happy to see you here on my second week of my April's show, Urban Sketching Bite by Bite. And this is the place where we not only learning how to draw urban sketching detail by detail with little objects of cityscape, but maybe the main goal of this project is to develop confidence, especially in sketching. But I suppose that we could develop our confidence in general, and sketching, it is just a medium which we use to do it. So if you like to draw bold, expressive, emotional sketches, this place is for you. And all previous videos to this show I collected in one playlist. I will put a link somewhere here. And if you are new here, you can go there, choose any object which you like, because different days we are drawing day by day, and in different days we choose different objects like crossroads, windows, traffic lights, beautiful bridges, benches, and so on. And previous week we had very easy to draw city objects like pillars and traffic lights and road signs. And this week we will start to draw something more complicated, more intermediate, let's say. But even if you listen to me, please, if you are complete beginner, it is not a reason not to start drawing something intermediate. I have this belief that if you want to draw something more complicated, but you're afraid of it, just don't afraid, just do it. And even if you will get some ugly sketches, it happened with me all the time. You know, we have such periods in our drawing journey. Sometimes we get only ugly sketches, and it is not a problem. The problem, it could cause a problem only if you give up in that moment. You need to continue your exploration of drawing. And of course, you understand that I am talking not only about drawing, I am talking about life. Drawing, it is just my medium to explain you some important things for life. If you're a beginner, if something not gets, if you cannot do it as you want, it is just a sign that you need to overcome your maybe some scary things. Maybe you need to learn something more. You need to apply more attention and more time to these things. And remember that we are people, we are not perfect. Sometimes we just cannot do something, but we need to continue to overcome all these feelings. And even if you are a complete beginner, just join me, and I will help you to lose all your fears during this drawing process, because I suppose there is nothing to be scared of. You are just learning. If you are experienced artist, still, if you are not learning, it is a problem. That's why we will continue to explore different sides of urban sketching, of drawing, and to become more and more excited because of our creative aspects. So this day, today, I forgot to tell you that if you were drawing with me for 7 days and you don't see results, so you need not think a lot about it, because it happens with almost everyone. you need to continue and to draw more and continue this journey. If you skip some episodes of this show, don't worry, you can return to them later. You can skip some of them if the topic does not even look, it is not appealing for you. It is not a problem. You can choose another topic for this day, or you can repeat some of previous topics. Be flexible. Explore your way of thinking and way of acting. So today we will have a short practice. We will focus only on our topic of the day, and I will show you just my drawing process, speed paint, and after that we will have a couple of minutes to discuss what have we got and some other things. And our today's topic is the entrance to the subway, to underground, and I have chosen maybe the most obvious choice, but I really like this French entrance, that Art Nouveau style. It is Art Nouveau, I suppose. I know it for sure, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, by the way. So, you can choose any other entrance to the subway. It is my choice, but I encourage you to think independently, to choose your own preferences, your own references. And now it's time to start brief, bold, and expressive sketching. Don't worry if your sketch doesn't look exactly like on a reference, if you don't know how to draw perspective. I actually even don't care about perspective, because as it is my opinion, it is my approach in sketching, that this knowing of perspective, it doesn't add any energy to your sketch, it doesn't add any information or emotions, so you don't need to know or to use it. If you need and you use it and you like it, okay, but it is not necessary. There's no need to do it. So we will start to draw as ugly and as boldly as we can, and I will meet you in several minutes. So my very, very bold and ugly sketch is ready for today, and I will show it, I will upload it into my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description, where you can observe it in details. And I also encourage you to show your today's works how you can, if you like it. If you don't like it, no problem, just upload it in that post in my Telegram channel in comments and add a couple of lines about you, about your today's experience, about your today's thoughts. Your sketch no need to be the same, ugly and, even close to rude. It is, you need to show your own personality and your mood. If today I have such a, a little bit more than usually, if I have this energy, I can apply it to my sketch, and after that all my day I will be happy and very, very calm. You can use this approach. Why not? If we need some place to express our energy and our mood, your sketch could be completely different, very soft, very tender. It is very good. I encourage you to show your personality and your current way of thinking through your sketches. So that's it. I suppose that's it for today. Today we will have very short video, and in my upcoming videos from this show I will return to strange and odd, crazy characters to this project, urban sketching bite by bite. But today we will skip this part to focus just on our feelings, our expressiveness. And by the way, you know that we are drawing our impression. We don't draw, it is my approach again. Maybe other sketchers tell you completely different things, and you should choose what resonates with you. I think that we as sketchers, our value is in our vision. We don't need to draw everything accordingly to the nature, to this reference, to draw everything part by part very similar. No, I suppose that we need to demonstrate our persona and our vision through our inner optic. So, if I and you, I don't know how many will be, 20 people, for example, we will start in front of this entrance in France, Paris, and we will all have our own notebooks and markers. And I will tell you, we have 20 minutes to draw this exact entrance. And after 20 minutes, all of our group of 20, we will have completely different sketches, because we are different people. And we focus on different things. For some people like me, we are focusing on our feelings and the way how we can express them. For other people, they need to show all this architecture very precisely. For other people, it is interesting to play with shapes. For another, they will add a lot of people, from this entrance, and they focus on people, and here it is only a decoration. We all are different, and our strength is in this combination of different approaches. That's why sketching is so appealing for people, that we can watch on it from different angles and learn from each other and enrich our own points of view. So, write me in comments, what do you think about today's practice? Maybe you would like to discuss something, or some of topics which I were provided you in this video. And our topic for the next video, which will happen tomorrow, will be chopstick. drumsticks. How do you spell it? Blah, 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 blah. No, you understand me. This bubnivi, baraban, drum. Our next topic will be facade of a building, but I will give you a clue that you should choose the most simple facade for the reference, not something complicated. The simplest which you can find. And we will start with buildings tomorrow, from tomorrow episode. And what is it? Something red. And step by step we will increase difficulty of our references and our topics, and closer to the end of April we will be ready to draw anything without any fear, without any questions. The quality, it is a different thing. I forgot to tell you that in this show I will concentrate on the quantity and diversity of our objects. So we will cover a lot of different, completely different street objects. So stay with me, draw with me, and enjoy the process. Try to get inspiration out of it. And thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope that you enjoyed this practice. It was useful for you. It adds some my energy to you, and maybe some thoughts provokes your thoughts. It will be interesting to find out about it. And I will see you tomorrow on my next episode of the show. Urban Sketching, Bite by Bite. Bye bye.